Here's how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file. Now, if you're in the YouTube app, you need to hop out of here if you're on an iPhone or Android or a computer. We need to access the web-based version of it. So just open up a web browser and go to youtube.com. Now from here, there are two different ways we'll be able to find and download those songs. We need to be able to get to YouTube Studio. So you can either request the desktop website by tapping on the square with the lines and request a desktop website. From here, all you need to do is tap on those profile at the top right and then go to YouTube Studio. Or if you want to get there directly, you can just type in a web browser studio.youtube.com. Now, once you're in YouTube Studio, keep in mind everybody has this as long as you have a Google or a Gmail or YouTube account. Now, from here, we'll be able to find those songs and be able to download them directly from YouTube Studio. To be able to access it, we're going to tap on the little sound icon at the bottom left. And then here are all these songs. I can tap on the filter icon and I can filter it or search for certain genres or moods, etc. And when I find the song that I like, I can hit the play button and it will just start playing on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Now from here, it's fairly simple. We can download this directly to your device to be able to use in videos, etc. Keep in mind, you can either download it by tapping on the download button at the player at the bottom right, or just from the top right, tap on download and then download. Now on your iPhone or Android, it'll usually put it in the Files app, same as it would on a computer. So now we need to know where to navigate to find that MP3 that we just downloaded. From here, all you need to do is open up the Files app or search for the Files app. It's usually in the folder called On My iPhone and Downloads. And there you can see is the MP3. I can tap on it to rename it or just tap on it to start playing it, as well as tapping on Share to text it, to email, to add it to a video, etc.